Hey Doug community, the countdown to DynamicsCon Virtual has begun, and we at Doug want to help you get familiar with our event platform, Brella. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to make the most out of your experience in the virtual sponsor booths, as well as how to navigate the Stream tab, where all sessions will be live streamed on event day. From your main dashboard, clicking on the tab labeled Sponsors on your left navigation menu takes you to our Virtual Sponsor Expo. Here at the top, you can filter through booths by sponsorship level or search by company name. When you click into a sponsor booth, you'll find yourself inside a one-stop shop of all things related to that sponsor. Learn more about the company through the resources they provide, links to their website and social channels, videos and demos, company details, and even downloadable content. You can also directly view the profiles of their company representatives, connect with them, and even participate in a live chat within their booth space. Back on your left navigation menu, click the Stream tab to access all live stream sessions for this event. You can easily switch between product tracks using the drop-down menu at the top. Each of our 6 product tracks will have its own channel and its own live chat that will be ongoing and moderated throughout the entire event. In these chats, you can post your questions to the speakers who will do their best to answer them throughout their presentation or during their live Q&A session, which each speaker will hold at the end of their allotted time. We know November 13th will be jam-packed full of content, so we made sure switching between streams is as easy and quick as possible so all your time can be dedicated to learning and networking with others. We can't wait to see you at DynamicsCon Virtual. Bye for now, Doug community.